Hey there, today we're going to install some new fog lights on this Nissan Titan. Same for all 04 to 015 Nissan Titan models. These fog lights take an 880 bulb, and we're going to install the Auxito 880 LED and compare it to the stock bulbs, and we're also going to compare it to some GTR bulbs that I've previously installed. So let's get to it. Let's open the box. Have a look at these guys. So these are what the new bulbs look like. They look like a good quality bulb, and they run about 40 bucks. So let's compare those to what the stock bulbs look like. So there's your stock halogen 880 bulb there. Pretty simple. It's going to be pretty easy install. So let's go try it out. So that's our fog light right there. You can turn your front wheel all the way in to get it out, and there's a little clip on the bottom, so just kind of pull that clip bottom back, and then you're popping off your wiring harness, and then you can go ahead and grab your bulb, give it a little twist. I'm just going to put the camera down so I can get my arm in there. So before I take it out, this is what the GTR bulb looks like in there. You can see on the bottom there's some material there that's from a set of cheap eBay LED bulbs from way back. And these GTR ones have been okay so far, but I'm looking for some brighter ones. So that's just a quarter turn counterclockwise in the route, and we're going to compare our GTR bulb and our Auxito bulb. Multiple LEDs, no heat sink, and we've got, looks like 3 there on each side together, and a pretty sizable heat sink, so this should be able to handle a lot more power and be a lot brighter. Get that bulb in. So our new bulb is in and hooked up. Very simple, easy peasy lemon squeezy. This is what the new bulb looks like inside the housing, and we're going to come back out when it's dark and compare the 3 bulbs. So here's a little comparison of the stock halogen bulb on the left and the new LED bulb on the right. As you can see, the new LED matches the LEDs that are in my headlights. If you want to see a video on that, I've got videos on those headlights. So far I like those. The output of the LED fog light is also much better. And let's get a shot of a comparison. So here in this shot I'm standing in front of the halogen bulb, and it's very dark out here. The only lights are on are my truck lights, and the low beam bulb is up above the shot, so that's not in the shot. What you're seeing is illumination from only the new LED bulbs in the shot. So I'll get a shot where I'm standing in front of that fog light bulb, and you'll see how much light is shown by the halogen bulb. So now I'm standing in front of the LED bulb, so what you're seeing on the ground there is illumination from the halogen bulb, and it's pretty dull and dim. So let me step away and light it up with the LED bulb. Alright, next up we're going to do a comparison with the new Auxito LED bulb and the GTR fog light LED bulbs that I had already. So once again, the camera is directly in the middle of the truck. So you're seeing the same, you're seeing directly in front of the truck with this shot. And right now, I am standing in front of the low beam bulb and the GTR bulb. And let me move over to the Auxito bulb. Okay, now I'm standing in front of the left low beam bulb and the left fog light bulb being the new one. And as you can see, there was quite a big change here, especially right in front of the truck where you want your fog lights to show. So that's a very bright fog light, throwing a lot of light out there. So I am impressed with these bulbs. I would definitely recommend getting them. Buy them for your girlfriend, your wife, your husband, your boyfriend. It would be a good Christmas present. I've got a code for 15% off. Use code TitanTown, and you can follow the link in the description. I'm not paid by Auxito, but they did send me the free bulbs, and so far I'm quite impressed. So if you want to see more Titan videos, please like and subscribe and enable notifications. Thanks for watching.